Running and walking are excellent forms of cardiovascular exercise, endurance, strength. But let's face it, running and walking in this type of weather is not so much fun. In various weather conditions, it's nice to have an option at home. My name is Dr. John Hosten. I am a sports chiropractor. I have over 20 years of experience working with patients with chronic pain, everything from shoulders, hips, knees, backs, necks. Part of what I do as a chiropractor is not only working manual therapy-wise, but I also like to work on exercise instruction and help people get to where they want to be. This is why I am a big proponent of equipment that one can have at home to move more. In that vein, I want to talk about the benefits of the THERUN treadmill. Walking or running on a treadmill has significant effects on the human body. They're appropriate for all fitness levels. They serve as a great tool for entry-level fitness, in my opinion. It's no secret that treadmills are used for maintaining or losing weight. Research shows 30 minutes, at least 4 times a week, is so good for the cardiovascular system. It's going to help you improve blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and maintain a healthy weight. If you want less stress, great. Walking stimulates endorphins. With a treadmill, you can control your pace and incline, making it easier to maintain a consistent, safe workout. And over time, these habits can improve endurance, metabolism, and overall physical and mental well-being. So let's take a look at the THERUN treadmill and let's see all of the features. First of all, this is nice and compact. It can fit in any room in your house. It's easy to fold up. You don't need a whole lot of space to use this treadmill, which is very nice. Now this has variety with programs here. It has about 15 different programs. Now this display has your calories, it has the distance, the elapsed time, and of course your pulse. It can read with these little grips right here. This has 2 cup holders for your water. Don't forget the safety latch. This is a nice automatic shutoff. I like how you can quickly toggle the incline while you are running, as well as the speed. As you can see here, this has a nice colorful light up screen. The top row here is for the incline and the bottom row is for the speed, which makes it nice to navigate while you're going for a longer run. Now this has a 3.5 horsepower motor. It's very quiet, but it's powerful enough. This goes up to 10 miles an hour. This treadmill supports up to 300 pounds. The THERUN treadmill has an automatic incline versus others where you have to manually set. The higher inclines work the posterior chain well. That includes the hamstrings, the glutes. This incline is so nice, it goes up to 15%. And for every 1% of incline on the treadmill equates to 10 to 20% more calories burned in a workout. That's pretty amazing. So when it's cranked up to 15%, you're definitely gonna feel it. Slow, fast, endurance, high intensity. That's what I like about a treadmill. It gives you many controlled options so you can get a workout year-round inside at your convenience. So what happens when you don't want to run solo? The THERUN treadmill has you covered. This is really cool. This is the Zwift app. If you want to run with others in a community, if you want to challenge yourself in competition to see where you stack up, this app is for you, and it ties in nicely to the THERUN treadmill. Let's take a look. Once you create an account, you are able to pair your treadmill. This will pair cadence, run speed, and heart rate. Now I'm using my iPad here, but you could use a laptop as well. This app has so many different events, so many different workouts. You can run with others that you know. You can run in many different locations. There are a large variety of daily, weekly events to choose from, and they each come with their own description, as you can see here. If you want to just hop in and do a workout on your own, you can do that as well. You can go for a shorter run, you can go for a distance run like I'm doing here. And this endurance workout will guide you for your speed and incline for the treadmill. You just pick the location and away you go. On-screen cues tell you when to increase or decrease your speed as well as incline. So even though you are doing a workout by yourself, you can see a list of Zwift users nearby. You can change your route and turn around and go the opposite direction. It's pretty cool. And after each workout, there's a nice readout of your run or your walk that you did with many different metrics. You could even save your runs to the cloud. There are certain weekly runs that are fun to do. You can even run as teams or you can run individually. Each workout gives you a time to warm up if you join it early. The social aspect of this app makes it so interesting. Again, there's virtual teams, work out with friends, or participate in challenges and races. You can even obtain achievements, all while your progress and stats are tracked. It certainly makes running or walking on the treadmill more interesting. The routes are detailed, and I love the stats compiled. Finally, this is the Zwift companion app. You can see real-time stats, find other Zwifters, you can send messages while you are on the treadmill, explore different routes, many features, so you don't have to leave the treadmill. If somebody's just getting into fitness or they don't know where to start, I always encourage my patients to just walk. Start walking, do it consistently. And if treadmills like this help people stay motivated, stay consistent, especially in the winter months, without having to leave the house or go to the gym, this is a fantastic option for that. We need to move more. Make yourself more confident. Make yourself better.